Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Ladybug, ladybug.
Ladybug is a small red beetle with black spots. Ladybug, 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 ladybug.
Butterfly, butterfly.
Butterfly has beautiful, colorful wings. Butterfly, 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 butterfly.
Bee, bee.
Bee makes delicious honey. Bee, 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 bee.
Bumblebee, bumblebee.
Bumblebee is large and fuzzy. Bumblebee, 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 bumblebee.
Wasp, wasp.
Wasp has a painful sting. Wasp, 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 wasp.
Ant, ant.
Ant is a hard-working insect. Ant, 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 ant.
Fire ant, fire ant.
Fire ant has a painful sting. Fire ant, fire ant, fire ant, fire ant.
Termite, termite.
Termite eats wood. Termite, 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 termite.
Dragonfly, dragonfly.
Dragonfly, dragonfly. Dragonfly is an excellent flyer.
Dragonfly, dragonfly.
Dragonfly, dragonfly.
Damselfly, damselfly.
Damselfly, damselfly. Damselfly looks like a dragonfly.
Damselfly, damselfly.
Damselfly, damselfly.
Mosquito, mosquito.
Mosquito, mosquito. Mosquito drinks blood.
Mosquito, mosquito.
Mosquito, mosquito.
Housefly, housefly.
Housefly, housefly. Housefly is common around homes.
Housefly, housefly.
Housefly, housefly.
Fruit fly, fruit fly.
Fruit fly, fruit fly. Fruit fly loves ripe fruit.
Fruit fly, fruit fly.
Fruit fly, fruit fly.
Horsefly, horsefly.
Horsefly, horsefly. Horsefly has a painful bite.
Horsefly, horsefly.
Horsefly, horsefly.
Moth, moth.
Moth, moth. Moth flies mostly at night.
Moth, moth.
Moth, moth.
Grasshopper, grasshopper.
Grasshopper, grasshopper. Grasshopper jumps very high.
Grasshopper, grasshopper.
Grasshopper, grasshopper.
Cricket, cricket.
Cricket, cricket. Cricket makes chirping sounds.
Cricket, cricket.
Cricket, cricket.
Katydid, katydid.
Katydid, katydid. Katydid looks like a green leaf.
Katydid, katydid.
Katydid, katydid.
Cockroach, cockroach.
Cockroach, cockroach. Cockroach runs very fast.
Cockroach, cockroach.
Cockroach, cockroach.
Praying mantis, praying mantis.
Praying mantis, praying mantis. Praying mantis catches insects.
Praying mantis, praying mantis.
Praying mantis, praying mantis.
Stick insect, stick insect.
Stick insect, stick insect. Stick insect looks like a twig.
Stick insect, stick insect.
Stick insect, stick insect.
Leaf insect, leaf insect.
Leaf insect, leaf insect. Leaf insect looks like a leaf.
Leaf insect, leaf insect.
Leaf insect, leaf insect.
Walking stick, walking stick.
Walking stick, walking stick. Walking stick uses camouflage.
Walking stick, walking stick.
Walking stick, walking stick.
Beetle, beetle.
Beetle, beetle. Beetle has hard wing covers.
Beetle, beetle.
Beetle, beetle.
Stag beetle, stag beetle.
Stag beetle, stag beetle. Stag beetle has large jaws.
Stag beetle, stag beetle.
Stag beetle, stag beetle.
Rhinoceros beetle, rhinoceros beetle.
Rhinoceros beetle, rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetle has a strong horn.
Rhinoceros beetle, rhinoceros beetle.
Rhinoceros beetle, rhinoceros beetle.
Firefly, firefly.
Firefly, firefly. Firefly glows in the dark.
Firefly, firefly.
Firefly, firefly.
Cicada, cicada.
Cicada, cicada. Cicada sings loudly.
Cicada, cicada.
Cicada, cicada.
Aphid, aphid.
Aphid, aphid. Aphid feeds on plants.
Aphid, aphid.
Aphid, aphid.
Weevil, weevil.
Weevil, weevil. Weevil has a long snout.
Weevil, weevil.
Weevil, weevil.
Earwig, earwig.
Earwig, earwig. Earwig has pincers.
Earwig, earwig.
Earwig, earwig.
Flea, flea.
Flea, flea. Flea jumps very high.
Flea, flea.
Flea, flea.
Louse, louse.
Louse, louse. Louse lives on hair or feathers.
Louse, louse.
Louse, louse.
Silverfish, silverfish.
Silverfish, silverfish. Silverfish likes dark places.
Silverfish, Silverfish.
silverfish, silverfish,
Lacewing. Lacewing.
lacewing, lacewing. Lacewing has delicate wings.
Lacewing. Lacewing.
Lacewing, lacewing.
Caddisfly. Caddisfly.
Caddisfly, caddisfly. Caddisfly lives near water.
Caddisfly. Caddisfly.
Caddisfly, caddisfly.
Mayfly. Mayfly.
Mayfly, mayfly. Mayfly has a very short life.
Mayfly. Mayfly.
Mayfly, mayfly.
Stonefly. Stonefly.
Stonefly, stonefly. Stonefly lives near clean streams.
Stonefly. Stonefly.
Stonefly, stonefly.
Water strider. Water strider.
Water strider, water strider. Water strider walks on water.
Water strider. Water strider.
Water strider, water strider.
Assassin bug. Assassin bug.
Assassin bug, assassin bug. Assassin bug is a skilled predator.
Assassin bug. Assassin bug.
Assassin bug, assassin bug.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.